Hello, hello, dear learners. Welcome to this comprehensive web builder data visualization training, specially designed for level 4 and 5 candidates preparing for their COC exam, as well as a learner from computer science, information technology, IS, and MIS program to understand web programming in detail. This training is perfect for anyone who wants to strengthen their professional skill in website development. In today's session, we are going to explore how to set up complete web development environment by installing Visual Studio Code and Azure. This step is very necessary and essential for creating, testing, and running your web project smoothly on your own code. Follow. Here, I have different software here in this folder as you see. You see, look, Sublime Text I have here, VS Code, also Zap. From here, let me first install VS Code. VS Code. So you can start here. Let's say double click, double click. This is the interface. After double clicking the executable file or the setup, I sign the agreement. I accept the agreement. This is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Next. Let me leave it the default path. Then let's say next. Again, next. Create a desktop icon. So you can say install. Wait little minutes. These are the steps how to install. Step how to install VS Code. Take some minutes. It's over. Already. Visual Studio installation finish. This is the window. This is you can load this one. Here is a lot of shortcut if you want to open folder, want to open the file. These are some of shortcuts. Shortcuts. Then you can come here, new. You have to create some folder. We'll come to this step next. Again, let me go back to XAMPP installation. Now we'll install XAMPP. I'll go to back to here. This is how I can continue. Here is my XAMPP. Here is my XAMPP. Then I can say run as administrator. Run as okay. You have to go and enable the user role or privilege in your service. Is setup XAMPP. Welcome to XAMPP setup. Start. I can say next here. No need of choosing, everything is already here. Leave it as a default. If you want, you can select or customize, and just leave it as is. Next. This is a folder or path where we are going to install XAMPP. Apache install. Please choose folder to install. This is my default path or folder. I can say next. Next. Then here, XAMPP control panel for this language is already English. If it's not English, you have to change to English. So this English next. Setup is now ready to begin installation. So next, wait. Okay, finish. Completing XAMPP setup. Say finish. Then after, this is the window of your XAMPP control. The next, if you want it, you can start your Apache here. You can start MySQL. You can start FileZilla. You can start Mercury, also Tomcat. But for now, only we can use Apache. I can start here. Start Apache. Ready? Look, the port 80,443. Okay, start MySQL. I need only these two. Allow the access again. Permission. This is how we can set up. This is how we can set up. Ready? We started these two services. If you want it, you can change the admin configuration of through this admin. It's Apache. Change the configuration. And this admin. Also, you can create your database, everything. So this admin. Click and use it. And click and use it. For now, let me go to root folder. Due to this exam, we want ht docs. In C, you have to go to what? XAMPP. XAMPP. In this XAMPP, you have to search htdoc. Htdoc is the root folder for XAMPP. Open here. Here in this one, you have to create proper folder for your HTML and PHP file. You have to create proper folder to store PHP, HTML, and the Cascade style sheets file. So let's say right click, create a folder. I can say this school. This school. This school. I can say this school. This is my folder. Hereafter, I can store all my project file in this folder. Exam, htdoc, is school. For your search, you can say any other name. So now this is my folder. This is my folder. Now it is empty. Now it is empty. In order to design some web page, we need what's this code. Just in this here, in your VS Code, we are going to install live server. Why we need live server? In order to save any changes automatically, or in order to refresh your web page. Live server. Say live server. Here you can choose any. I can use the first one, which is developed by Great Weekday. The person who developed name is Weekday. Install this. Install. And trust publisher, yes. So it's installing. Wait. Installing. You can choose any of live server. Sorry. You can choose any of live server here. Python or any, but for now, prefer this one. So it's already installed. So the detail is important. Already installed. Still now we have seen how to set up the environment, installing VS Code and XAMPP. To get any project and exercise, you can follow the next video. Akkuma armaan olitti ilaalle software sana akkamiin install gochuu akka dandeenyu wajjin ilaalleerra. Projektootaa fi gaaffiiwwan web development exercise garaagaraa argachuu barbaadan immoo ቪዲዮ itti aanu hordofa. እስካሁን ሶፍትዌሩን እንዴት ኢንስቶል ማድረግ እንደምንችል አይተናል። ቀጣይ ፕሮጀክቶችን የተለያዩ የተሰሩ ጥያቄዎችን ዌብ ፔጆችን ለማግኘት ደግሞ የሚቀጥለውን ቪዲዮ ተከታተሉ። እስከዛ በሰላም ቆዩ። የሮጋሪ